Alright, what's going on YouTube? Gonna do a quick overview and review of this BMW Motorrad bag. This is the smaller tail bag. In this configuration it holds 2.5 liters, and then you have the ability to extend it out and it holds 5.5 liters of cargo, or whatever you want to put inside. I really like this bag. It's nice, small, and compact. It's probably not the best for longer trips, but say for something for the day or just going out and about, I think it's perfect. It doesn't add too much to the bike. It's nice and form-fitting to the seat. This is good for the BMW S1000R or the RR. So it's just nice to have a pretty cool little bag. What I did when I bought my bike is I had this pretty much kind of haggled it into the price of the bike. The dealership threw it in, so I was happy with that. So we'll just go ahead and get into kind of the interior of the bag. So it's already zipped open. You need this. This is part of the harness that attaches it to the pillion seat. So I'll put that over here. It is waterproof. It has a lining that comes out, and you can completely make sure that everything inside of here will stay dry, because it is a waterproof bag on the inside. There's a zipper here to increase the capacity, like I said. Goes all the way around the bike and pretty much just gives you the ability to store, you know, another 3 liters of stuff, because the max capacity of this is 5.5 liters, according to the website. I'll include the part number in the description below, and maybe I'll throw it on the screen as well, so you can look it up if you are interested in this bag. This bag is nice and lightweight. Like I said, it has the waterproof bag inside. It comes with everything you need to install it. Like I said, it is kind of form-fitting to the seat. Sorry, my bike is kind of dirty. I haven't washed it in a little bit. It just rained a whole lot over this winter season, or winter break really. Alright, so in order to install this bag on your seat, I'm going to slide these up here. And they're going to hook these clips onto each side of the seat, and then you have the ability to actually pull it back down and tighten it. For this top piece, you're actually going to use these 2 pieces right here. It's going to slide into these. And it'll stay snugged in like that with a clip on the front. Right, to secure the bag to the seat, you're going to use this piece, this harness. Slip it onto these 2 notches right there. There's 2 little posts that come out. This piece is nice, made of nice quality material. Pretty, I think it's leather. Pretty nice material. Nicely sewn together, stitched together. Has a little clip here on the front that we're gonna clip to the bag on this piece here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw all this stuff together and let you see how it actually sits on the bike, how it actually looks, and yeah. When you're going to actually install the bag, leave these ones loose so you can get to the keyhole. Once you got your seat situated, pull it out. Now you can tighten everything down. Alright, so once you got everything installed, it kind of moves around a little bit. I didn't pull the front all the way tight, just because I'm going to take it right off. I don't usually leave it on all the time, just because I'm afraid of somebody actually just cutting it off and stealing it or something silly like that. So if I know I'm going out for a few hours for the day, throw some drinks in here, whatever GoPro gear I need, or just whatever, extra shirt, whatnot. Like I said, so I think it's a pretty good bag. I don't know the price of them brand new, but I'll try to find how much they cost. But the zipper construction is very nice. It does try to, is for the most part, seal out as much water as possible. So even though there's an inner bag that's waterproof, I haven't found that much water gets in at all. But it hasn't sat outside and like extended periods of rain or hard rain. So overall, this is a good bag. It's a BMW Motorrad bag. It's a tail bag, so definitely recommend getting it if this is something you're looking for. If you guys have any questions, you know, leave them in the comments below. If you use something different, let me know what you got, because I'm interested in more stuff for this bike. I would like to possibly get some touring bags that go on either side. But I don't know, you know, really living on an island, I don't do a whole lot of touring. You know, I can get around the entire island in one day. And then to take it off is pretty much the same way you put it on. You just loosen the straps, unbuckle the clip on the front here, and then pop the seat off, and just make sure you don't lose the harness that goes on the front. I always just put it right back in the bag so I know where it is at all times. And that's that. So again, thanks for watching my video. Please go ahead and subscribe. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I would like to try to get to 100 before the end of the year, and we're just a few days away, so you know, we'll see if we can do it. If not, I hope everybody has a happy new year and just happy holidays. Take care. Thanks for subscribing.